I'm here with Tony Shaw, CEO of Dataversity at EDW, Enterprise Data World 2024, and we are excited to discuss, I guess, what's new in data this year. I guess it's AI. I don't know. That's my guess.
Well, judging by the attendance at the sessions, by the way, thanks, Malcolm. This is nice to sit with you again. Judging by the attendance at the session so far, it's definitely AI and generative AI. As it's applied to enterprise data management, that's the angle that we've chosen to take at the conference, as our audience is primarily data management professionals. So we're looking at the application of those technologies to that role in data management.
Do you see implications for this in terms of how you'll be thinking about the broader Dataversity efforts in the coming years?
Yes, we've made the AI education market is very competitive, as you might imagine. So we've chosen to focus primarily on issues of AI governance and AI as it's applied to the data management profession. We don't get too technical. We try to keep things at a business level, but AI governance and ethics and those broader issues of the appropriateness of AI in certain situations, and we're leaving the technical implementation of AI solutions to other folks in the industry.
Yeah, besides AI, do you see any of the traditional data governance, data management requirements or concerns or needs sort of still persisting in the market for education? People wanting to know about them, coming to the conference for that?
Absolutely, yes. So everything else about data governance remains relevant today. I don't think any of that's gone away. There's been maybe a bit of a reprioritization of where resources are being directed, but yeah, we still see tremendous interest in every aspect of data governance and the newer areas of data architecture around mesh and fabric. There's a session going on right now, for example, which is standing room only. So yeah, those have not gone away.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting. Yeah, so tremendous interest in data architecture. So that, which I think is a good thing.
Yeah.
Well,
and as you would know, having just done a presentation on data policy, that was the largest session in that time slot.
Yeah, that surprised me. People still want to know about the basics of data governance. So it's showing that there's, I think, tremendous growth still going on, which is interesting.
Well, our perspective in the industry is from the point of view of education. So I'm not sure. I think we tend to lead in some areas and maybe we lag in others relative to, say, product purchases or where people are buying consulting services. I think we often see the leading edge as folks educate themselves about new technologies. And then on fundamentals, we sometimes are sort of behind, and we're educating the later adopters rather than the early ones.
That's interesting. That's very interesting that you'll see those sort of leading edge as people want to get up to speed on something, and that will then translate into work in other areas for the vendors and the consultants. Super interesting.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for a brief chat with me, Tony.
You're so welcome. Yeah.
Great to be here again.
Good to see you again.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.